Shenyang Forbidden City, also known as the Shenyang Imperial Palace. Before Beijing became the heart of the Qing dynasty, everything began here. Built in the early 1600s, this place was the first imperial residence of the Qing dynasty. It may be smaller than the Forbidden City in Beijing, but its history is just as powerful. It was called the Forbidden City because ordinary people were not allowed to enter. Only the emperor, his family, and selected officials could step inside these walls. Walking through these spaces, you realize this wasn't just a palace. It was a place where power, culture, and everyday life quietly existed together. This visit felt less like ticking off a tourist site and more like stepping into the beginning of an empire. After a long day of walking through history, it was time to slow down and head back. Thanks for walking with me. Share, share.